In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Suno AI. First, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android phone, this will be the Google Play Store. You can find it typically on your home screen or in your app drawer. For iPhone users, you will want to open the App Store. This step is crucial as you need access to the platform where you can download the Suno AI app. Take a moment to locate the App Store icon. Once you've found it, tap to open and you will see a variety of apps available for download. Next, search for the app. In the search bar, type either Suno or Suno BRI Songs and Music Maker. This is important because precise keywords will help you find the correct app more efficiently. As you type, suggestions may pop up, but ensure you are looking for the official app by Suno Inc. This helps you avoid downloading any fake or duplicate apps that could lead to frustration or security issues. Once you've entered the name, hit the search button and wait for the results to populate. After the search results appear, select the official app. Look closely for the developer listed as Suno Inc. This detail is a key indicator that you are downloading the right application. It's essential to verify the developer to ensure you have access to the genuine features of Suno AI. By selecting the correct app, you are setting yourself up for a smooth experience. When you find it, tap on the app's icon and you will be taken to the app's download page. Now it's time to install the app. If you are on Android, tap the Install button. For iPhone users, the button will say Get. This step is straightforward, but it's vital because once you tap to install, the app will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status, so just hang tight. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You can either tap Open directly from the App Store or find the app icon on your home screen. When you tap it, the Suno AI app will launch. This is an exciting moment as you are about to begin your journey into music creation. The app's interface will load, and you will be greeted with options to either sign in or create a new account. From there, it's time to sign in or create an account. Tap either Create a free account if you are new to the platform, or Sign in if you already have an account. If you choose to create a new account, you will be prompted to enter some basic information. This step is crucial as it allows you to save your creations and access them anytime. You can sign in using your phone number, Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Discord account, providing flexibility in how you access Suno AI. Now, start creating music. Once you are logged in, you will see the main interface where you can enter a text prompt. This is where the magic happens. Type in your ideas, lyrics, or themes you want the app to generate music around. This step is significant because it allows you to customize your music experience based on your creativity. After entering your prompt, the app will generate AI songs, lyrics, and beats tailored to your input. Finally, you can save and share your creations. The app will have options to save your music, making it easy for you to revisit your work later. You can also share your creations directly from the app, allowing your friends and family to hear your unique tracks. This final step is rewarding as it lets you showcase your creativity and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Enjoy your music-making journey with Suno AI.